Hi, my name is Mark Bagg. My wife and I have a shop in New Canaan, Connecticut. The name of the shop is New Canaan Foreign Car. And the courses I instruct are the Professional Service Advisor Sales Training, controlling the front, or mastering and controlling the front of your shop, as well as the on-site efficiency course, which is also the Teamwork Solutions course. At this point in my life, thanks to Drive, got the shop running so we don't have to be there every day, my wife and I felt it was time to give back to the industry. I have a lot of experience, and I'd like to give that experience back to other folks who don't have to learn it the hard way the way I did. The one common mistake that I see is inefficiencies in the workflow or the shop workflow. And I love helping shop owners fix that. The advice I give my students is if you're going to take the time to go through these workshops, make sure you go back to the shop and that you apply what you've learned. The favorite moment I've had while teaching a Drive workshop is having one of the shop owners request me to come do an on-site inspection at their shop. One of the things I didn't expect is you get people in the course that may have been in the industry 3 weeks. Some people are in there 30 years, and I get a lot of insight actually from the folks who have just come into the industry. I personally get a lot of takeaway, things that I learned from other shop owners, best practices, and then I end up putting them to use in my shop as well.